Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change profile picture on IMVU. So let's get started. First, open your IMVU application. Now tap on your profile icon. Tap on the edit button at the top right corner of your screen. Then choose the very first option, that is change profile icon. Among these two options, choose any one of the options. Now select the photo. Adjust the photo and then tap on the done button. And this is how you can change profile picture on IMVU. Thanks for watching Web Solution. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.